June 23rd, 1957. A Basque matador redefined for all generations what it meant to be a killer.
Buenos días, investigador Rocas. Se han robado la oreja de Tormenta del museo aquí en México, Distrito Federal. Los sujetos
Ay, qué rico.
es una tal Betania Benavides y su amante Salvador Webb. En el Valle de la Muerte, donde nada sobrevive.
Hi, honey. I'll be home late again. I'm on special assignment.
He sido como un fantasma, pero lo encontré, lo logramos.
¡Que se mueva! Look, Mexican customs agent Javier Gutierrez contacted me about a drug smuggling ring.
Not Gutierrez. Contreras, Alfredo Contreras. A rat-ass collector of illegal items that he sells on the black market in Mexico City.
Open Ear Productions invites you to experience the mystery, where nothing's what it appears.
I think it's real, you know? What a day, Sarge.
It does not exist.
What the? Coffee, big guy?
All this for some drunken Spaniard's myth.
Tormenta's ear.